Hello friends, welcome to CrackGate CSE, and in this particular video I'll be sharing some important tips which will be very helpful for your GATE exam so that you can get good marks and good rank. So first of all I would be starting with the aptitude section. So most of the students are wasting their valuable time in completing the syllabus of aptitude by studying each and every topic in a broad manner. So for aptitude you do not need to put that much efforts because aptitude in GATE is very simple. If you are having general problem solving skills, you can easily complete the aptitude section. Only thing you need to avoid is just try to avoid the silly mistakes, because if you are doing any silly mistakes it will cause you a lot. So out of 10 questions, if you are having the basic problem solving skills, you can easily solve 8 questions. Apart from these 8 questions, one is the verbal ability question. So this is not certain, you can either answer it or not answer it, so there is no guarantee for these kind of questions. But yes, if you are having general solving skills, you can easily get away with the aptitude. So whatever the time you are devoting to aptitude section, I would highly recommend you to give that valuable time to any other subjects, whether it is math or any other core subject. So first tip is to uh, not waste your time on the aptitude section. Second is mathematics. So mathematics is very important. Like aptitude is important, but mathematics is very important. If you are good at mathematics, you will be easily able to solve the aptitude section as well. So do not forget or do not skip the mathematics, because some of the students skip the mathematics or some of the chapters of the mathematics, because of which they are not able to get the good rank. So complete the mathematics syllabus first. Entire syllabus you have to complete, each and every topic. For the revision purpose, what you can do is you can solve the previous year GATE questions. These questions are more than enough to revise the mathematics section. Apart from these previous year GATE questions, solve the test series, complete mock test or the subject wise mock test. Solve these test series, and whatever the topic you are getting difficulty in mathematics, just revise that particular topic once again and solve questions again. So revision, for revision purpose, uh, the previous year GATE questions and test series GATE questions are more than enough for mathematics. Next is test series. Test series is very important. Plenty of the students are not even able to complete their test series. In the end they are left with so many tests which has not been touched, right? So do not do that. Try to solve the test concurrently, whether if you have completed the entire syllabus or not. If you have completed one particular subject, give the test for that particular subject and keep on doing this until unless all your tests are completed. Do not skip any of the subject. Each subject is equally important. So test series is very important. In test series, if you are solving a particular test series, you might be getting some wrong answers and you might be getting some correct answers. So if you are getting the correct answers, that is okay. You do not have to focus on your correctness. You have to focus on your mistakes that you are doing in your test series. For example, if you are doing any mistake on a particular topic, go to your revision notes or the actual notes, revise that topic once again, and then again try to solve those questions which you did wrong earlier. So keep this in a loop so that you will be able to solve all kind of questions for all the topics. Fourth thing is, there are several students which skip the topic of a subject. For example, in mathematics, if they are facing difficulty with calculus, what they will be doing is they will be completing the entire syllabus and skipping the calculus. Similarly, they do this thing with the core subjects, right? So do not try to skip, do not skip any topic for any subject. Try to complete as much syllabus as possible. I would suggest to complete the entire syllabus, complete the entire test series for the good rank. So if you are completed with your subject, if you have revised all the subjects, focus on previous year GATE questions and the test series only. But yes, if you have skipped some of the topics of some subject, please complete them as well, because now you have some time so that you can complete them. But after 1 month or after 20 days, you will not be having that much time. So for now my suggestion is to complete all the topics. Do not skip any subject. if you are facing any difficulty, if you want to improve your speed and accuracy, I created a video to improve the accuracy and the speed. You can refer that particular video. I'll be providing the link in the description. And in case if you have not enrolled yourself for any test series, or if you are getting worried about the previous year gate questions, I created one video in which I discussed the resources from where you can get the previous year gate questions and test series for free. I will be giving you the link of that particular video in the description, so you can freely access the test as well as the previous year gate questions. So I think that these particular points are more than enough to complete your syllabus, and at the time of your gate exam I'll be coming up with some tips that what you have to actually do when you are writing your gate exam. So for now, this is it from my side. Best of luck for your exam, and in case if you are having any problem or any issue with the preparation, just let me know on my Instagram. The link is given in the description, or you can tell me on the comment section as well. And in case if you like this particular video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you very much for your time. Keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.